All right, guys, I got a very cool product for you today. This is a waterproof 80-gallon resin deck box. You can see it has a very woody kind of look, but it's that resin material. So first thing I want to show you is how lightweight it is. Pick it up this way. Super lightweight, but also very durable. It was extremely easy to build. It opens just like this. Cool thing is you have hydraulics on both sides, so it's gonna hold up very easily. Like I said, very easy to put together. 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4 piece, 5 piece, and 6 piece. So very simple. It's waterproof, 80-gallon. You could store pretty much anything in here. It's waterproof, so nothing's gonna get in. You can even sit on it. I mean, this thing is very, very durable. Great for like storing towels outside, you know, extension cords, pretty much anything you can think of, you can store with this box. Like I said, you can even sit on it. So highly recommend. You definitely need to get this.